E natural minor, related to G major with an F sharp in the key signature. Right hand. Left hand. Hands together. To make it harmonic minor, we're going to raise the 7th note, which is the D, make the D a D sharp. Fingering stays the same. So here's harmonic minor. To make it melodic minor, we're also raising the 6th note, the C sharp going up. So we have C sharp and D sharp going up. And then when you come down, melodic scale, you play natural coming down. To play the chord progression in the minor scale, you use harmonic notes, the notes of the harmonic minor.